right, folks, what we got here is a 2015 Ford Taurus. Little 4-cylinder with a turbo. We're going to change the air filter. There's an AutoZone STB brand SA10242. Air filter is located right here. There's a rectangular little box here. It's fairly simple. It's just 2 clips, one here, and then you have to unplug this piece here. Okay, the inside here, there's a little red locking tab over here. You're going to slide that locking tab out, and you're going to squeeze a little clip, and then the plug will come out. All right, so let's see. I'm going to plant you here so you get an idea. All right, so let's see. Let's do it this way. I'm going to pull my sleeves up. All right, so a little red tab. Like I said, slide it out. Then there's a little black tab there. You just squeeze, and it comes right out. Okay, I'm going to show you this way. Here it is. Here's the red tab. That's in the lock position. Oh, gotta push it in for the lock. But there's a red tab that you're gonna pull out, and there's a little black tab you're gonna push in order to get it out. Okay? Put it off to the side. And you got one clip here, and on this side over here, there's 2 little tabs that actually like slide in. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift this up a little bit, slide it out, and this whole assembly is gonna come right out in front of you. Okay? Put it off to the side if you want. You can hold it, you can do it with one hand. This is the filter. I'm going to take this out. Just by looking at it over here, you can see it's a little dirty. Flip it on this side. It is really dirty. All right, you spread the little folds up there, and you can find all the little dirt. Okay? That's why we changed the air filters. See that? Grab another fold. There you go. All right, so when you change it, toss it off to the side. If you look in the box, you're going to see that there's a little debris in there. So I'm going to get my little blow gun and I'm going to blow it away. I love this little thing. It's from Rigid, Home Depot. Comes with a battery. It's a little blower, a little snout. It's great when you're washing your car. You want to get all the water out. Great to get all the leaves out from everywhere. So just watch your eyes, people. Cover up the intake here so nothing goes in it. See the crap that comes out of there? Oh yeah, it's all over the phone. All right, so to replace it, just put your new filter in there. Make sure it sits in there squarely or rectangularly if you want to take it that way. All right, these are the tabs that I was talking to you about. Oh, I can't show it to you. Let me show it here. Okay, these are the 3 tabs that go into the 3 corresponding tab holes over here. That's how you're gonna line it up. Okay, put you back over here. All right, you're gonna take it, line up your 3 little slots there. It's a new filter, so you might have to push it in a little bit. Push it down at the same time. Once it's lined up, you are just gonna drop it down like that. Okay, snap, snap. Still with me? All right, I take this little plug. Okay, going to go in one way. Slide it all the way in, and then push the little tab in. Do you hear that click? Then you know what you're done. All right, that's it. Clean up your mess, throw out your crap, and we are good to go. All right, thanks for watching, people. Ciao.